Hi guys, this is Vineet, and in this video we will talk about overview of SQL Server Tables. Before we proceed ahead, I would request you guys to please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, as subscribing gives us huge motivation to create new videos for you and for the SQL professionals. If you see the middle section of this slide, you will see that I have around like 350 subscribers with 144 videos posted online. I want my subscriber count to reach somewhere near 500 subscribers, so would need your love and support here. Also, I'm posting videos quite frequently on my channel. Right now the pattern is Tuesday, Thursdays and Saturdays. I post video on each of these days, so if you are subscribed you will get timely notifications regarding these videos. And also, if you on the right hand side, if you see watch time from subscribers, you see that out of 100 subscribers only 6% of them are subscribing to our channel. Rest of them are just watching our videos and not subscribing. So how to subscribe? There's a subscribe button below this video. Click on that subscribe button, and after you click on the subscribe button, you will get the bell icon. Click on that bell icon, select all notifications to get notifications regarding all my upcoming videos. If you want to see a sample, you can see that sample on the right hand side of the right bottom side of the screen. It is showing you an example in blue rectangle where it shows you how you can like, subscribe and get notified regarding my videos. Let's proceed ahead. There are some points to remember while watching this video. I would request you guys to please watch this video till the end to gain better clarity of the concept, and if it is possible for you, please watch this video twice. Perform any exercises in your lab and test environments only. Do not touch any production environments or production databases. And we would like to know your thoughts regarding our video, so please share your comments with us. We love to read them. And in case you need the PDF copy of the notes that are discussed in this video, there are two methods. First one is by paying a nominal fee. Second method is free of cost. So if you want to opt for first method where you have to pay a nominal fee, what you can do is you can send me an email, and upon receiving your email, in your email just specify the name of the video, and after I receive your email, I will send you the link to make payment. And upon making a payment, you can download the PDF copy of the notes. Second method is the free method, where the request to you guys is to just subscribe to my channel. And how you can subscribe is there's a subscribe button below my video. If you click on subscribe button, you will get subscribed. So after subscribing, take a screenshot of that section where it shows the subscribe button along with my channel name and the video title as well. Send that screenshot to me over to my email address vrma@gmail.com. Upon receiving your email, I will check the video title and send you the PDF notes on your email address. I have curated some playlists for you to watch. Right now there are four main playlists. So first one is the database design playlist. It has around like 45 to 50 videos on database design. All these links are included in the video description, so please check the video description area. The second playlist is the business continuity playlist. The third playlist is the SQL Server indexing playlist. The business continuity playlist contains videos on disaster recovery and backup management. The SQL Server indexing playlist contains videos on SQL Server indexing, and the fourth playlist is SQL Server performance tuning playlist, which contains videos related to performance tuning in SQL Server. And the fifth link is the link for my channel page, which is youtube.com/@SQL Talks by Vineet. You can visit my channel page and subscribe from there as well. Alright, let's come back to our topic, which is overview of SQL Server Tables. So this is basically a basic category of video where we are starting from scratch. So far we were covering the database design, and that is still in continuation which is going on. So SQL Server Table is also part of database design. However, I've just started from tables, which is basically the basic section of SQL Server database design. So let's see, let's go through the theory section on this tables. SQL Server Tables. Let's quickly go to Notes. Alright, so today we will discuss about SQL Server Overview. Let me select my pen pointer quickly. So today's topic is SQL Tables Overview. Now let's go through some theory section. There won't be any practical in this video. But yeah, this theory session is very useful for you. So please give attention to this, whatever points I'm covering. If you have any questions, please do comment. Do post your questions in the comment section of this video, and I will try to answer them. Now, tables are database objects that contain all the data in a database. So, what is the purpose of table? It contains all the data in a database. The data gets stored inside the tables, SQL Server Tables. And tables are basically database objects that stores the SQL Server data. In tables, data is logically organized in row and column pattern or format, similar to the spreadsheet. So in a table, data is organized in a row and column format, basically similar to that of a spreadsheet. Now each row represents a unique record within the table, and each column represents a field in that particular record. For example, let's consider a table that contains employee data. For example, for a company, that might contain a row for each employee. So what this table will contain, it's related to employee data. So it will contain a row for each employee, and columns representing employee information such as employee number. So columns can be employee number, employee name, address, employee address, employee job title, and employee home phone number. These are some of the example columns that we can take for employee data. So in an employee table, what that table will contain? It will contain a row for each employee as well as columns representing the employee information. So each row is further bifurcated into columns, and each column contains information, specific information like employee number or employee ID, employee name, employee address, employee job title, and employee home phone number. I hope you got the idea of this. Now let me discuss some key points. The number of tables that can be in a database is limited to by the number of objects that are allowed in the database. So there is a restriction where a certain number of objects are allowed in the database. So restriction is this number. So only these many objects can be created within the database, and table is also limited by this limitation, the number limitation. So the total objects within the database can be this much, not more than that. It includes everything: stored procedure, tables, views, everything, etc. Apart from table as well. So table is also part of that restriction. Now a standard user defined table can have up to 1024 columns. So we can have 1024 columns in a table. It cannot be more than that. A table can contain no more than 1024 columns. That's the max limit. And what about the number of rows? The number of rows in the table is limited only by the storage capacity of the server. So there is no restriction on the number of rows that can be stored in a table, but yeah, restriction applies as per the storage capacity of the server. If server disk space is exhausted, we cannot store any more rows in the table. Otherwise, there is as such no restriction on the number of rows that can be stored in table. But yeah, to columns, there are restrictions. We cannot have more than 1024 columns in a table. Now, we can assign certain properties to a table and also to each column in the table as well. This is basically done to control the data that is allowed in a specific column, and basically we can also set other properties for a particular column or a table. Now for example, you can create constraints on a column to disallow null values. So constraint can be created on table columns to basically not allow the null values or disallow null values. Constraints can be created, and we can also create a default constraint, and there's also default constraint which provides the default value if a value is not specified during the row insertion. Or you can assign a key constraint. A key constraint can be created on column as well, such as primary key constraint or unique key constraint on a table column, and that basically enforces the uniqueness. So primary key or unique key enforce the uniqueness in the rows of a table. So those are known as key constraint, and key constraints also defines the relationship between tables. So one table primary key can be used in another table as a foreign key. So the key column also defines the relationship between tables. Now the data in the table can be compressed as well, either by row. So there are two methods: either we can compress data by row or by page. These are the only two methods. And basically, what's the purpose of data compression? The data compression can allow more rows to be stored on a page or in a table. Page is basically a unit of storage in SQL Server, which is 8 KB in size. A page size is 8 KB. Pages are 8 KB in size, and basically a unit of storage in SQL Server. And what data compression does is it allows us to store more rows in a particular page. Alright, I hope you got this concept of data compression, as well as we have discussed about some of the limitations and restrictions on the table, and we have given you an overview of what tables are, and we have talked about some of the constraints on the table as well. So I hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and also please subscribe to my channel. There's a subscribe button below this video. Click on that subscribe button. You will get a bell icon. Click on that bell icon, select all notifications to get notifications regarding my future videos. And also, guys, please share this video with your friends in case you feel this video is useful for them as well. And also please ask them to subscribe to our channel. I will be creating more videos on tables in my upcoming sessions, so please stay tuned. Please get subscribed to my channel so that you can get timely notifications. So this is basically a basic series for beginners which I'm creating, starting from tables, so that you can get a good grasp on the foundations of SQL Server. So please enroll anyone to my channel that is just beginning their career with SQL Server as well. So this section is useful for them as well. So I thank you so much for your time on this video today, and you have a wonderful day ahead.